Maswera sei vana veZimbabwe kwose kwamuri. Tinotenda kuti She ari kukuchengetai panguva yezororo, riri zororo rataishuvira kuve nemhuri, riri zororo pamwe vamwe vakakunda kufamba, ravaishuvira zvikasadzikiswa kuti vave pamwe chete nemhuri. Izororo rakaitawo kuti mukuenda kwenyu kumamisha muone kushata kwemigwagwa yenyika, muonewo zvakare kushata kwemabhiriji, machallenges aripo pakufamba chaiko, kumwe kwokuti pamwe zvichida kune vamwe vakatotadza kusvika kumamisha kwavo nemotikari dzavo, kwakutopakawo panext door, kwakuchizotanga kubatirana kutakura zvinhu zvanga zvawiwa nazvekrisimasi kuti zvisvike kumusha. Iyi nguva yakaitawo kuti muone kudonha kwaita magrowth points edu, the economic decline yako kuma-growth points, which was a marvel when they were established in Zimbabwe after independence, because they were inspiring economic growth. But zvakaita kuti muone kuti zvechokwadi zvinhu zvakaita sei zvakaoma. Inguvawo zvakare vamwe vangu vari pakuchema nekuda kwematambudziko akasiyana siyana, zvikuru dunhu reGuruve raita murume so far has claimed 12 people of our brethren and sisters. Ari kukundikana kubatwa nema-CIO, nemapurisa ne-other security forces. Kunyangwe dog section hakuna imbwa dzichagona kufembedza. It's a sad scenario, a sad situation that we have in the country. We now have a serial killer. I think the last serial killer in Zimbabwe was the ex-killer okuma 1980s. Yeah. But since then, we have never had serial killers in Zimbabwe killing at the level that this guy is doing in Guruwe. It is a sad situation, but tinongoti inguva yatiri kufamba mairi senyika. It is also a time yatiri kuona dare reparamende richiedza kujustify using over 374,000 United States dollars for improvements pamba pa Speaker of the Senate, Mabel Chinomona. So inguva yekuti when you look at it, at the prices that dzakakotwa initially ne what they finally used, it's a clear indication yekuti nobody is in control. People can now do willy-nilly in terms of stealing from state coffers. So it's a challenge as a nation, because all those resources should have been channeled somewhere else and made improvements, either in hospitals, either in the road infrastructure or somewhere else. And the worst thing is now hearing the powers that be acknowledging kuti mari iri kutengeswa motikari dziri kupuhwa naJaapureza nemabhenda avo haisi kubva mumume munhu, iri kubva muhomwe yehurumende. Kureva kuti pamotikari dzaJaapureza panotori nekamari kako yomusoja wakatadza kuwedzerwa pay for the past 3 years. The government has failed to improve its own workers' salaries very significant in the past 3 years. But prices have been skyrocketing. Vamwe have been giving birth to children and more needs. But we have a situation whereby izvozvo zvisiri kuitika. Vanhu vari kupuhwa motikari. Pa motikari yaComic Elder panotori nekamari kako iwo ukateerera nhasi. Because it's state money that should have improved the general lives of the people. It is a time yatiri kusanganawo kuine ma-internal fights within the same sect. Tungwarara vhesa zitagwirei, because they are all seeing kuti zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Saka they are trying also to wrestle in and position themselves to take state power. Not for the purpose of improving Zimbabwean lives, no, but for the purpose of the continuation of the plundering of state resources. So nas we have to think as Zimbabweans, because these stories are escalating. Ziri kuramba dzichibuda nyaya dzacho. But is this what we said our leaders should do in the country? That angofunga kuti aite zvaaita panyaya yekubira nyika, haana kana chekutya, haavhunduke, is protected by the state. He is protected. So we have a situation in Zimbabwe yekuti innocence is not determined by the laws and statutes of the country, but innocence is determined by proximity to state power. How close are you to the top guys who are ruling the country? You are very innocent. And ukambopozhongora kana ukapoya unogona kumbokandwa mukati kuseri. We have got my examples ana Chimombe naMpofu. But it all comes back kuti pamwe kwawanga uri wakabaiza. You had gone to the wrong side again, because there are those people vasingafaniri kuitwa go against, because vanokuvharirai kunze. And I hear that Passion Java akadzoswa zvakare pabasa mushure mekumbokandwa into obscurity, zvichida nezvaakazogadzirisawo kuti auye zvakare patafura yekudya munyika yeZimbabwe, vamwe vachinonga svosve nemuromo. Nobody enjoyed the Christmas holidays because people were focused on the upcoming expenses, school fees, rentals, transport back to work, maindustry anenge avhura, chino there's this state ane mari dzinofana kugara dzichibhadharwa dzemamedical ari paterminal illness, ane mishonga iri kudiwa, kuzvipatara hakuna mishonga. So very few people, especially those from the other side who have got access to tenderpreneurs, they enjoyed their Christmases. Vakwanisa kuendesa vana vavo kumaholidays kwakasiyana siyana. Iwe teacher, you have been wallowing in deep abject poverty. You can't even take vana vako kana padhuze. Hapana. You can't even go to Chivero. They've denied us social life. Kunao vari in Zimbabwe, that has been denied. So when you come outside and you see how things are in other people's countries, the holidays results, people in Namibia were really celebrating Christmas. People in Botswana were really celebrating Christmas. People in South Africa were really celebrating Christmas. A clear indication yekuti this challenge, yes, stress yekuti as I go into the new year, my expenses is not something that is synonymous with them. Their countries are still okay. But ku Zimbabwe, everyone akabata musoro izvozvo. Mwana ada mari form 1 iherere mumba naamai, mafees haasi kukwana, pamwe ukaita small house, and there are challenges again in the family in terms of how resources are being allocated. So we have got a lot of challenges as Zimbabweans, and I am sure 70 to 80% of the people didn't enjoy the Christmas the way they wanted or would want to enjoy it. Yes, rice tagara rangodyiwa every day in Zimbabwe. It used to be a food yepa Christmas, special meals. Would have rice. Tiri kumusha tichionana nevamwe vedu vatakadzidza navo, vatakatamba navo, vakataita this and that navo, vachibvawo kumabasa kwavo chibvunzana kuri sei kwako, pension yenyu munobatirwa mari ino, kana ndazoenda papension ndozodai. It was something that we can only think about under this environment of plunder. We wanted our leaders just to be responsible to give us a decent life. Masalaries anokwana, ada kuendesa mwana wake kuboarding haana problem, ada kuendesa mwana wake kupi, because kuna vamwe vakakura vachitoemva vakatadza kuenda ivo, they fought very hard kuti vasvike a certain level of life, and they would want kuti vaendese vana vavo kuzvikoro zvavaishuvira kunge vakaenda. But right now they can't do that because things are bad, especially to the general populace, the common soldier, the common police, the common nurse, the common teacher. Those guys are in abject poverty. Massive savings haana mari. Mari dzavari kuita dzatongo dzecorruption. It's not like they are doing it by design, but the situation is forcing some of our loyal people to venture into corruption. So you find there is nobody to fight the corruption. hence wakutoona unzi parliament yakatoapprove kuburiswa kwemari 374,000 kungoita marenovations hameno kuti maketeni rudzi aitengwa 60,000 for imba 1. Handinyazoziva hangu maprizes but ukaona manzi paketeni ega ari kurova 60,000 akumanaka. I don't know. I just don't know. But anyway, so they are living in plump and fanfare. But the common person is wallowing in poverty. Chinozonyanya kurwadza ndechekuti ma-resources aripo. I saw a report nas through the social media kuti Zimbabwe yaka-increase mineral exports by 10%. It should be translating to more money for the country. But no, it's translating to more money for the politically connected, so that they would try and buy loyalty, just as they are doing. So Zimbabwe right now has got cartels. Whoever is having something is connected to somebody. But the whole country cannot be connected by this spider's web. No. There are some who would want to live fairly, just kungopuwa mikana and opportunities without any political links. But in order for you to survive in Zimbabwe, whether in business or what, you have to be bidding for the rulers, which is a very dangerous precedent. At the end of the day, tinoona vanhu vasina ma-independent policies kana kuti ma-focus ekuita improve business, because they will be schooled in favor of the ruling elite. Saka they can't tell properly kuti guys nyaya yezigi renyuka iyi harisi kurana mada kuti rinzai, so everything is done for political expediency. But we have got a currency that cannot be used in the same country, countrywide. No. Kubulawayo, they don't use the zig. Kumashingo, they don't use the zig. Several parts of Manicaland, they don't use the zig. They don't know it. But kuti ndo national currency yedu yekuti mucivil servant akubhadharwa nayo mari onzi iwo urikufanira kunodya nemari iyoyo. But munhu ari kuti kana apuwa mari yake ari kupinda futi paqueue yekutengesa mari yaapuwa kuti agowana mari inotenga muZimbabwe. What a sad situation. But vamwe vari kuwana mari yekuti ari kuti munhu amupa motikari ye65,000 omupa kana 100,000 cash, hard cash United States. Nobody asks kuti but mari ya withdraw from which bank, my bank limits transactions amira say there is nobody who is asking anybody. We thank the brave woman of Nkulumane for towards the end of the year we saw a rise in the National Constitution of Zimbabwe, which is our last hope for defending Zimbabwe. The only thing that we can now stand with is defending the nation, looking at what the Constitution says to the rulers. Those who have failed should be fired. Those who have failed the nation do not have any local stand to keep on existing in leadership of the nation. We never heard my minister saying anything about road transport. Minister anachari kutaura pamusoro pe state of roads in Zimbabwe. Accidents are just happening, vanhu vakangoti zi. Except this one yaka declare national disaster. But we are not looking at the challenges ziriko kuma road services edu, road structures zedu, whatever in terms of transport. Transportation yacho ango makombi evanhu anodhura, so you would find kuti mabhazi chaiwo are convenient for transporting goods to my rural areas. They are very few, and varipo vacho they are taking advantage yekuti ndo vega towards Christmas they will be charging exorbitant prices and nobody is controlling anybody. But the general populace is losing money. You would want to go and see your parents, you would want to visit ana auntie kumusha vakambokuchengeta vakakurera, ukasaenda vanotaura kuti akudada yeti hapana kudada, zvinhu zvakaoma. So at the end of the day you want to go and see them during the holidays, and for you to go you're going to have to fork out an arm and a leg in terms of transport costs only, and nobody is saying anything. The general populace is being deprived of their hard-earned money through so many unscrupulous means and ways, and nobody is saying anything. No minister of Chakata ambotaura anything. Hapana ambotaura minister of sports ambotaura about the performance of our clubs and stuff. There is nothing. Rugby is dying, athletics is dying, boxing is dying. We once had the African champion from Zimbabwe, but it's all history now. A number of boxers had performed well on the international arena for Zimbabwe, but now boxing is in the doldrums. It's dead. Nobody's taking focus on that. Not only that, several things that could make a people live. So we are living in abject poverty, but those that are leading us are busy using our state resources and depriving zvipatara zvedu of mishonga, education system yadona. Everything is in chaos and nobody is doing anything or saying anything except a few people. Chief among them, the General Chiwenga. Of course, he did a big part in ensuring that Mnangagwa came to power. But look here, he might be having regrets because I don't think this was the best that he ever expected or anticipated for Zimbabwe. Because President Mnangagwa had been given the best opportunity to unite the people. And it should have been a fresh start for Zimbabwe, to start a fresh way of living, so that all those graduates, my engineers, my architects, my doctors, my nurses would come back home to a functioning society and economy whereby they will have opportunities for their children, for themselves in their country of origin, and making it a splendor to watch. The people outside here, we don't enjoy living outside Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is our home and we would want to be there. But opportunities are limited to those that are politically connected, and you would end up making a decision as a family, as a father, as somebody who is responsible for upbringing their seed, their children to come, who will take over their inheritance, whether it's by name only, but they will take over. So people out there are not enjoying staying out of Zimbabwe. We've got some of the best resort areas. You take your family to Vic Falls, you take your family to Great Zimbabwe, you take your family to the Eastern Highlands, and come back after holiday. Yes, it was an enjoyable holiday in my country. But as kukwanisika. So we have a mountain to climb as Zimbabweans. We should be asking ourselves questions. And this is not an exemption to the general public or the general populace. Even those that are in the security sectors, you swore to uphold the Constitution of Zimbabwe. So even though in several more ways it has been skewed or thrown in the dustbin, but there comes a time, does this level of plunder allow me to look aside and pretend I'm not seeing until now? The level. Pane zvimwe zvekuti you can say, well, yeah, mpana akangopoya panapa and stuff like that. But tiri kuti corruption iri kubuda pachena through vanhu vari politically connected. Level racho replunder kana kuti tanze increase mineral exports by 10%. Mpumalanga coal fields adzina chadziri kuproduce, but South Africa is producing magetsi kumpumalanga necoal iri kubva kuZimbabwe. They are buying coal from Zimbabwe, from Hwange Colliery, powering Mpumalanga in coal plant, electricity, generating electricity to South Africans, so that they don't fail to have electricity. But we have a situation whereby, while that is happening in Zimbabwe, people are living for 20 hours without electricity. We have since forgotten about tap water. It's all history. There's no need to talk about it because nobody, and stuff like that, nobody is doing anything. But whilst we have forgotten about that, electricity because if you are selling coal somewhere else, why that man doesn't come to buy more electricity, maybe from even South Africa, barter trade. But no, I eat a barter trade because one who export a coal should benefit because they are cartels. Saka hai dai mwari vatibatsira vakaenda kumamisha mufambe zvakanaka pakudzoka muitirwe nyasha mukwazise hama neshamwari dzose tinoshuwawo kuve nemimwe nenguva munyika medu tichigara nerunyararo takasununguka tisingatye kupwanyirwa madoors or barricading ourselves inside for fear of being snatched. we would want to speak these words tiri muZimbabwe tichiratidzana, because chinoburitsa corruption panyika it's speaking out. But where those that speak out are being tormented, it becomes a challenge. To be honest, yes, there hasn't been much death in terms of critics to Mnangagwa, but arrests are accumulate. There have been more arrests and more judiciary capture in terms of how those cases were handled, taking in light Job Scala, Nana Ngarivume. In fact, all political prisoners have been treated unfairly in terms of how their cases have been executed by the judiciary, which is a clear manifestation that it is compromised. So we have a mammoth task ahead of us as Zimbabweans, but I'm sure kuti the spirit of Mbuya Nyanda and Kaguvi, and the spirit of the ancestors of this country, and the spirit of the living God, the true God, Mwari vakasika denga nenyika vamene, I'm sure his spirit is also looking at us, at the sacrifices that were made by the departed. You know, I saw General Chiwenga speaking about General Tongo. He was speaking passionately. I could feel the power of his words. You could see that vanga vachidzokera mundangariro dzekwavakafamba naTongo, and what they endeavored to have in Zimbabwe, what they foresaw kuti amana kana nyika yedu tairwira taitora, this is what we would want, because they had visited my first world countries, kunana Sweden, kupi kunana Britain, kunana America, vachiti hey, nyika dzakanaka idzi, vakamana kana tatora nyika yeduka ndo zvatoda kuita. And Smith had given us a good head start, because he managed to build Rhodesia to be the second biggest economy in Africa by 1980, whilst he was under United Nations sanctions and fighting ZANU and ZAPU. That was a great head start for Zimbabwe, but we got it all wrong, and there's need to correct our errors. Good afternoon, and good evening, and good night.